Good morning, student. How are you? Today we are going to see one lesson. That lesson name is Finding Friday. It's a very interesting lesson. I hope you understand and enjoy the lesson. Okay, Finding Friday. Before start lesson, we will see one activity. Okay, that activity is imagine you are going on a vacation to an island. Make 6 things that you would like to carry along. So just it's a interesting activity you do in your notebook. Okay, imagine you are going to an island in summer vacation, and which things you would like to carry. Okay, for example, if I am going to the island, so I pick up the shells, then trees, different types of trees, then fruits, and many things. So, what you would like to carry along with you? Okay, so this is very interesting lessons. Let's start. We will see first the meaning of the lesson. Okay, so you will write 10 times one hard word. So we will write 10 times one word. First word is sank. Sank means went below the surface of water. Amazed. Amazed means very surprised. Crept. Crept means move quickly, quietly and carefully. Second, frightening. Frightening means making one feel afraid. That we call frightening. So these are the all hard words. You write one hard words 5 times. Okay. Okay, who is he? His name is Robinson Crusoe. Okay, so today we are going to see the lesson. That lesson name is Robinson Crusoe. Depend upon the person, his name is Robinson Crusoe. Just shortly we will discuss first. Robinson Crusoe, what happened with him and how he spent his life in Ireland alone. Okay, so that only the interesting lesson is Robinson Crusoe Finding Friday. Okay, that lesson name is Finding Friday. So this lesson is whole lesson is around the person name is Robinson Crusoe. Okay, so what happened to Robinson Crusoe, how he lived, and what happened with him, how he escaped from himself, that only we are going to see here. So first now we are going to read the lesson. Okay, Robinson Crusoe was a sailor. One day there was a terrible storm and his ship sank. He was thrown into an island where no one else was living. Crusoe made himself a house to live in, with a tall fence to keep the wild animals out. He lived on the island all by himself for many years. He got quite used to being alone. He talked to his parrot and his dog because there was no one else to talk to him. Okay, here is the one first we will still explain that Robin Crusoe was a sailor, and what happened one day, he just thrown into an island, and just afterward he is living there only. Okay, so with him only one dog and one parrot, so no one is there in that island, only 3 living beings. Okay, so in this way how he live, he just make his house and he live in there in this island alone. Okay, what happened next? See, one day he was out of walking on the beach when he saw a footprint, the footprint of a man. It could not be his own footprint because this one was so much larger. Who could this be? Crusoe was amazed. He had been on the island for many years and had never seen another human beings there. He was also a little afraid. What sort of person was this man? For many days he saw no one. Then one day he saw some smoke from a fire was coming from the beach. Slowly, without making a sound, Crusoe crept crept up the beach. There he saw a frightening sight. There was a group of about 8-9 people around a fire. They looked wild and frightening. Near them, lying on the sand with their feet and hands tied, were two men. As Crusoe looked out from his hiding place, they killed one of them. See what happened there. See, many years he lived alone in that island, and afterwards, what happened? One day he saw one footprint, but that footprint was different. So he thought that someone was there. So he searched. So one day he saw many people. One of them was killed. They killed one of them person. So he became curious about what happened next. See, means who is there? The other prisoner somehow managed to cut the ropes around his feet and hands, and he started to run. The wild men chased him. Crusoe had his gun with him, and he fired a shot at them. These men had never seen or heard a gun before. They were so frightened that they turned and ran off to their boats, got in, and rowed away. The man who had been saved was at first frightened of Robinson Crusoe too. He thought that Crusoe would kill him, but Crusoe took him home and gave him food and clothes and looked after him. He called him Friday because he had found him on a Friday. Soon Friday became a Crusoe's friend. Crusoe taught him to speak English too. Now he had someone to talk to apart from the parrot and the dog. Now you know that one of the person some people kill. So she just only shoot one gun, but then they all people ran away, and that one only man only left. And the Crusoe would that man Crusoe took that man and look after him. He gave food, clothes to him, and he gave name called gave Friday. He gave name Friday. Why? Because he got on Friday his friend. Okay, in this way he taught him English, and now Crusoe have a new friend. His name is Friday. You know that now one more friend had with Crusoe. Okay, so in this way Crusoe had a new friend, and he became happy to got a new friend. Before only dog, parrot, only friends, but he had a now new friend. That name is Friday. That friend name is Friday. So I hope students you understand today's lesson and you will solve the read lesson neatly, and now you solve this small exercise. Fill in the blanks are there. You solve your own. Okay.